India is the second largest two-wheeler market in the world. Two-wheelers are the most preferred modes of transportation for millions of Indians, being their subculture as well as lifestyle. Long-distance commutation of these motorcycles on various roads with various loads contributes to the high wear and tear on motorcycle parts, thus reducing the part's life. Rolon, a renowned LGB's brand synonymous with automotive power transmission expertise, caters to the needs of OEMs, Tier 1 and aftermarkets world over. Rolon brings to you an intelligent solution for those riders by replacing a normal chain kit with stronger, smoother and longer SSL kit for motorcycles and extended pitch DBS chain kit for mopeds, both with synthetic white lubrication. The pitch length of 12.70 mm in normal chains link is replaced with innovative 15.875 mm extended pitch link. Thus, without altering the chain length, the chain links are reduced. The chain is wrapped over broader teeth front and rear sprockets for extended life. Lesser link equals lesser wear and tear, which equals increased lifespan of chain kit. SSL kit can deliver for a long time for initial elongation and subsequent change adjustments. Greater transmission efficiency due to its lightweight. Extended life to transmission system. High load carrying capacity. Lesser wear and tear. Get 50% higher chain kit life and save your pocket on replacement and service expenses. Choose Rolon's SSL kit for tension-free ride.